Houseplant is something, but people do them because they think it's making their plant healthier. In fact, they kill their plants. In this video, I'm talking about something that I did before, but now I'm sure houseplant did them. Could be one of the reasons why plant might be struggling. Houseplant like to have a settled home. Without a settled home, houseplant don't be happy and healthy. If their place isn't stable, their leaf will look drop. When we are moving a plant from a settled spot into a new environment or another spot, plant is shocked and the leaf will look drop. So keeping houseplant in a stable environment is a basic care tip to look after the houseplant. If you don't want to see creeps or drop leaf on plant, my advice is maintain a stable environment for your plant, and this includes not moving them around your house too often, because your house will have different environmental conditions in each area. So pick a spot and try to leave the plant there. Rotting roots is one of the most common reasons beginner plant owners kill their plant. So it's really important that we look after the roots of plants and ensure they don't become rotten. If the roots are good, your plant is good. Without a strong root system, your plant will not grow healthy and strong. If you put your plant into a pot that is far bigger than the root of the plant, the ratio of soil to roots will be weighted far too much and this can lead to rot.
So pot your plant into a pot that is 1 or 2 sizes bigger than its existing pot. This won't shock the roots of the plant and roots can slowly stretch out.
Most plants don't like having wet feet, so drainage is important. There's an old gardening myth that it's best to put a layer of rocks at the bottom of the pot to improve drainage. It's not true. Adding rocks at the bottom of the pot will create 2 serious problems. Increase the risk of root rot, as the roots will stay wetter longer. Reduce root growth space, root volume, and growth size. Pots and containers designed to hold plants have drainage holes in their bases to allow any extra water to drain out freely. Instead of adding rocks to your plant pot, put your plant in a pot with more drainage holes so that extra water can escape from the pot. Houseplants don't like it touched too much, such as succulent. Succulent that have something called farina on their leaves. Farina is the white powdery coating of wax on the leaves of succulent. It plays an important role in keeping your succulent healthy. This powdery coating protects the leaf from excessive water absorption as well as sunlight, like a sunblock cream. Excessive water for the succulent will lead to mushy leaves and unhappy plant. Therefore, it's really important we don't touch the leaves of succulent to avoid this water-repellent coating from rubbing off. Plants need light to photosynthesize and store energy for growth. Without this process, your plant will die. That's why it's so important for plants to have lots of clean foliage to capture sunlight. Dirt on leaves of houseplant is something plants hate. It's advisable to keep your plant nice and clean. If your plant has a thick layer of dust on leaves, this will reduce the amount of light it can use to photosynthesize and store energy. Look over the plant to see how they are doing. Are there any pests or disease to deal with or not? Check out this video here where I talk about the most common pests on plants. Thanks for watching and have healthy, happy plants in your home.